If you want to activate Drive Mode on Zoom for Android, you should do the following. So first you need to join a meeting or create a new meeting. Let's create a meeting now. Tap on Join Audio to get your microphone ready. If you wish to activate Drive Mode on Zoom, you just need to swipe from left to right on the screen. Now Drive Mode is active. You can easily tap on the button Tap to speak and say what you need. After you have finished speaking, just tap Done speaking. Now, to get out of the Drive Mode, just swipe from the right to left. Now, normal mode is active. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.